General Knowledge 2023-24 Important Discoveries and Inventions prepared by top real classes. Question number 1. Who discovered antibiotics? Answer: Alexander Fleming in 1928. Question 2. Who discovered antiseptic? Answer: Joseph Lister in 1867. Question 3. Who invented X-ray? Answer: W.C. Roentgen in 1895. Question 4. Who invented CT scan? Answer: Godfrey Housefield in 1973. Question 5. Who discovered blood circulation? Answer: William Harvey in 1628. Question 6. Who invented thermometer? Answer: Sir Thomas Albert in 1867. Question 7. Who invented electrocardiogram ECG? Answer: William Etoven in 1903. Question 8. Who invented sphygmomanometer? Answer: Scipione Rivarezzi in 1998.